Best deals. 1. Coconut scraper. Features rotatable blades. These blades are sharp enough to easily scrape off the fleshy inside whites of a coconut. The handle is rotatable 360 degrees. Just get a firm grip of it and rotate it with a gentle force to get the function going. The product features a vacuum base. It helps in getting a stable and firm base while working with it and abstains it from slipping off the surface. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience for years of use. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Coconut opener. Tap into count in seconds. Extract coconut water effortlessly from young coconuts with this easy tool. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Spiral cutter. Perfect for creating unique and delicious potato dishes that impressing your family and friends at any gathering. Excellent for cutting decorative spirals from fresh cucumber and white radish. Cut the end of the cucumber, punch the peeler pin into its center and turn smoothly. Made of resistant PVC. Dishwasher safe. The structure is simple and sturdy, 360-degree rotation, comfortable in touch. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Kulfi mold. You don't need an ice cream making machine to prepare frozen ice cream. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds, maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key type ice candies, creams at a time. This feature also helps reduce waste with an eco-friendly, reusable design. It can be used over and over again to make all natural large frozen treats such as juice, yogurt with fruit and anything you like. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Basket. Crafted using high-quality, food-safe stainless steel, this 12-inch mesh basket is built to last. It is rust-resistant, corrosion-free, and highly durable, making it ideal for daily use in the kitchen or dining space. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Squeezer. It's made up of high-quality plastic which makes it durable too. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cylinder trolley. Designed for extreme Indian kitchen conditions. Made of high-quality steel. This product is suitable for all types and sizes of kitchen, whether a modular or a regular kitchen. It can also be used for moving heavy item up to 45 kgs. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Warming tray. Features a smart foldable design that ensures easy storage, preserving your kitchen's precious space. With larger heating areas, you can simultaneously warm various dishes, catering to families' diverse culinary desires. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Cheese grater. Well-made and functional kitchen gadgets, easy to install and removable locking ring handy to take, have everything what camping trip need. 5 by 3 inches camping accessories saves space, perfect for RV kitchenettes and camping adventures. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Pepper seed corer remover. Effortlessly remove seeds from jalapenos, chili peppers, capsicum, and bell peppers with the sharp stainless steel blade for smooth, precise cuts. Lightweight handle designed for better control, making it easy to work. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Infuser. Squeeze open the infuser, add loose tea and place in a cup, add hot water, remove infuser when done. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Soap dispenser. Water-resistant polymer material withstands impacts and tough conditions, perfect for active households or busy institutions. Transparent panel allows easy level checks, reducing downtime for soap, sanitizer, or lotion refills. Mounts flush to walls to save room, complementing contemporary interiors in bathrooms, kitchens, or lobbies. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Electric pepper grinder. Customize your seasoning with 6-level external adjustable grinding, which lets you choose between fine and coarse grinds. Electric salt and pepper mill is made from safe, food-grade material and has ceramic grinders for smooth and easy grinding. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Grater. With minimal effort you can perfectly shred and slice cheese and vegetables. Get creative and make dinner exciting again by grating, slicing and making fresh zest to take your meals to another level. Quickly prep an array of foods. Multifunctional with a comfortable handle that gives you total control. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Chopper. All-purpose 6-in-1 food processor now chops meat and vegetables, make salads, knead the dough, make a batter for cakes, pastries and pancakes, blend milkshakes, baby food, soups and stews. Crush ice and enjoy frozen drinks. 4 settings in the slicer dicer disc for fine and thick juliennes as well as fine and thick slicing. Dual speed manual food processor with first gear for power and fourth gear for speed. Manual 6-in-1 food processor for chopping, slicing, shredding, whipping, mincing and ice crushing and can be used for kneading the dough as well. Additional dough blade for kneading dough hygienically and conveniently. To ease your chopping, slicing, mincing, shredding, whipping or kneading activities in the kitchen, Turbo Chopper is the perfect tool. Featuring a one-of-a-kind dual-speed design, this manual chopper can chop vegetables, slice fruits, mince meat, knead dough and perform a variety of other tasks with relative ease and minimal effort. The first gear setting is ideal for dicing as it generates power, while the fourth gear is ideal for fine chopping as it enables a faster speed. This chopper helps you get consistent results every single time, making prepping an absolute pleasure. The first gear is used for power and the second gear is used for speed. First gear dices the onions, vegetables, fruits and other vegetables with complete ease. The fourth gear finely chops the food ingredients in consistently sized pieces. Chop onions, tomatoes, carrot, cucumber and more with ease. The chopper blade attachment can also be used for kneading atta easily and hygienically without using your hands. 4 settings in slicer dicer disc for fine and thick juliennes as well as fine and thick slicing. The slicer discs can be used to make thin, thick slices of cucumber, carrots, zucchini and much more. Make thin, beautiful juliennes using the julienne blades. Whisking attachment helps you easily whip eggs, make yogurt and cream. The sleek and ergonomic design makes this product a must-have in every kitchen household. Compact design with non-slip base and durable body saves lot of space in your kitchen. Turbo chopper and the attachments should be cleaned after every use. We recommend washing the chopper along with attachments with normal water and soap after every use and drying and storing it. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 15th link.